Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can order stuff from Temu. Temu is a really great application where you can buy. It's an online shopping website or application. Same thing as Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and all these and all the Facebook Marketplace and all these kind of stuff. But the good thing that separates Temu from all the other online shops is that two things: they offer gifts, and they're also much more cheaper than all the other alternatives. So how you can order all of them? So first of all, you're going to download Temu from Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iOS. Then after that, you're going to launch Temu and you're going to log in. Okay, then it is going to start logging you, and then you're going to sign up. Now, once you're signed in, you're going to go and pick whatever product you want to buy. For my case, let me just go for this $15 headset, okay, AirPods, okay. Now, once I am in, you're going to click on Add to Cart, okay. And once you click on Add to Cart, you're going to go back, and then you're going to go onto your cart on the bottom right corner, okay. And as you can see, I have all these orders that I'm going to order. So I'm going to click on Checkout. I'm going to fill my, I'm going to see if I'm going to use which one, and a Visa card or a PayPal or any of these payment methods. And then you're going to choose your shipment method, and after that, just submit order. Then you're going this way. You actually have ordered a Temu, you have ordered from Temu. This is how you can order from Temu. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.